I warmly welcome you to my channel, and in this video I will take you to how you'll be able to transfer or withdraw from Binance to your Momo. Most people who use cryptocurrency always ask how they be able to cash out to their Momo, especially Ghanaians. Most of them are throwing questions on how they can be able to transfer or withdraw their cryptocurrency, being it USDT, being it Ethereum, being it Bitcoin, to their Momo wallet. Sometimes people buy cryptocurrency, they hold it, and at a certain point in time they want to get their money back instantly. Now, how do you get your money into your Momo? That is what I'm going to show you today. So guys, to be able to do that, you need to cash out into your Momo account. And with Momo account, I mean your mobile money wallet. That includes MTN, that includes Vodacash, Tigo Cash, and etc. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So all that you need to do is just open your or launch your Binance app, and make sure you have Binance installed. You are verified for this tutorial. I am verified and everything has been done, so take note of that. Good. So when you come to your Binance account or wallet, then you come to wallet. So you just tap on wallet here, and then when you tap on wallet, tap on the asset that you want. We have so many assets here. We have Bitcoin, which is BTC. We have a whole lot. So you have to pick an asset that you are going to work on. The asset means that where you want to, the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from. So you could see that here I have 0.00178182, which is $5.27. But I don't have any crypto in the other wallet, being it 1inch, Eve, and etc. So what I'm going to do is I just want to withdraw from my BTC only to my Momo account. But to be able to withdraw or cash out to your Momo using the BTC, you should be able to make a certain transfer. But yesterday, a day before making this video, I actually made a transfer of about 70 cedis to my Momo, just to check how this Binance work. So guys, this is actually something legit. The transfer here is so cool. The security system is so cool. So you don't need to worry. So let me just show you the withdrawal from the Binance. So I'm just going to show you. So this is what I'm talking about. So I received this yesterday. Payment received from Scuba, who is a merchant. So you could see from the date yesterday, 11:38 p.m. and all that. So this is genuine, so don't worry. So guys, what you need to do is that I'm going to show you live how this can be done. So to withdraw your Momo, first you have to transfer your BTC from your spot to funding. You could see from top here. You could see from top here that we have spot, and then you could also see from here that we have funding. So we also have funding here. So all that we need to do is we need to move our BTC to the funding wallet. Now, if you I tap on funding, you see there's nothing in my BTC wallet, 0.00. So to be able to transfer or sell or withdraw, we just come to the spot and then we tap on this, which is transfer. So all that I need to do right now is to be able to transfer from my spot wallet to the funding wallet, and that can only be achieved when you have money. So I'll go in for my BTC, and then I'll hit on max because I am transferring all the amount here. Then I come here and I tap on transfer. So let's see what happens. It says transfer successful. And when you are done with that, you now have money in your funding. You have money here in your funding, this place. So we can now sell our BTC. So what we need to do is that we'll go to P2P here. We tap on P2P, and because we are selling BTC, we go for BTC here. So I'll tap on BTC, and then you also tap here, which is sell. We are not buying, so we are selling. Tap on sell, and then you go through the merchant here. Every merchant has their minimum or their limit. Dash business is also 500 to 60,000, which is not our area to go because of the less crypto that we have. So I'll go in for this merchant, which is worth let me check here. You need to go through to look for the one that suits you. So this is the merchant I'm going to use, worth the wait, because of the amount I am withdrawing, 14 cedis to 14,000. So I'll tap on sell, and then I'll go to all. And when I withdraw this, I'm going to receive 39 cedis, 19 pesos. So before you send the money, this is very important. It says read the following terms and conditions carefully. Failure to comply will result in failed transaction and financial loss. So you need to be careful. So you go here, which is select payment method, and then here, if you don't have mobile money or payment method, you tap on add momo or add MTN mobile money. So you tap here, you just key in full name, and then you type in your number, then you confirm. But I already have an account, so I'll just tap on it. Then after doing that, I'll go to sign or sell with zero fee. So you tap on sell with zero fee, and the window will load. Now the buyer has 5 minutes 22 seconds to be able to send the money to me. Then when the buyer sends the money to me, I will push the crypto to the buyer. So the reason why I'm saying Binance the security is so good is that until the money is sent to you, you don't release the crypto. So make sure the money that the person is sending is accurate. I'm going to receive 39 cedis, 18 pesos. If he sends less than that, I can argue that the money is not working, so I won't accept it. So you can chat the merchant here using this chat session, and just chat him or her. So it says processing, please stay active to release crypto. So you can say okay, I'm waiting. So the buyer is processing the amount to be sent. Okay guys, so we've received an SMS of 39.18 payment. So we'll go to our inbox and check for mobile money. Yes, so the money is in. You can just see from here. I've received 39 cedis, 18 pesos from Lovely Treat Ventures. So very excellent. So right from here, what I can do is I will have to go back to the Binance, and then you have to accept or tell them that payment has been made. So you click on this side. So you tap on this side, which is payment receive. You get it? So you go to payment receive, and then you tell them I have received correct amount payment. Sender matches the buyer's verified name, blah blah blah. So you are good to go. If you think there's anything wrong, you can go to have not received payment, but I have received. So I will just tap on it and I'll go to confirm. Now they will verify your code. So you go to send code here. Tap on send code. They will send a code to you via SMS. You copy and then you paste it here. then you go to submit. So you've made payments, very clean payment. So you have now sold 0.001718 BTC, which is 39 cedis, 18 pesos. So guys, that is all for today. This is how you'll be able to sell your crypto to a merchant for your mobile money. I hope you love it. Make sure if you love this video, you give it a like. Make sure you comment and you show me how you love Binance by rating from 1 to 5 how their services went. Comment under the comment section and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here. It's your boy Sidako, and take care of yourself. See you in the next episode.